In this video, I'll show you how to download the Canon driver so you're able to use your Canon printer with your PC Windows computer. So open Google, and over here all we have to type is Canon support drivers. Now, depending on which country you're located, Canon has a different website for each region of this world. You're gonna get the first results from the Canon website, the official one. And one of them should be Canon supports, softwares, and drivers. If you don't see this one, you should see customer support and click on it. It will go almost on the same place. So I'll click over here, go down, and they'll ask us to type the product name we want the driver. So I'll go ahead and type Canon, and now it really depends which model you have. Over here I have the Maxify MB2720. The model name should be written on the front, look out there, or on the top. If you have a smaller printer, sometimes the name is located where the buttons are, right above or somewhere around. So find that name. I will type over here the name Maxify MB2720, and here we go. Usually you're gonna find it down, click on it, and now we have on the left side over here, select our operating system. So if you're on Windows, select Windows. If you have a Mac, select Mac. Linux as well have their driver. I'll keep Windows, and the version of Windows you have. It's Windows 11, so I will not change anything. If we go down, we'll have different downloads. So which one should you get? You should get the one that says the name of your printer and then full driver and software package. So go ahead and tap the download button, and it should start downloading right away. Usually it just takes a few seconds, depending how fast your internet connection is. All right, once the file has been opened, you can click Open File here, or go in your download folder on your computer and double click the file that just got downloaded. If you're on a PC, click Yes, Yes, and then you're gonna get this image or this window appearing. You should click on Start Setup, the green button. Wait a few seconds. You're gonna have to select on which region you're located, so USA, Canada, Latin America, or something else. You can select the country as well, and you just have to go through the different windows. This can take, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes. You see, click Yes, Agree. The driver is not yet downloaded. One of this step over here will be to download the driver. So just press Next. Now you have to select if you want to connect this printer using your Wi-Fi connection, or do you prefer connecting it using a USB connection, okay, from the printer directly to the USB port. So it really depends on which setup you have. You can go ahead, click one of these, click Next a few times, and again in 5 minutes the software will be downloaded at the end and you'll be good to go.